Now as we look at it, it's like, okay, what's left to do? We've got to get some protection on it because there's no shortage of the butterflies with cabbage loopers on them. So we're going to make us a cage here. And I've fallen in love with making these PVC and tulle cloth cages. So we're going to go that long. The other one to be the exact same length. Okay. Then I ordered them on Amazon because they were a whole lot cheaper or eBay, as opposed to ordering them on, getting them at Home Depot. But these are cool. See, it gives you a run, and a down piece. Absolute wonderful for making PVC cages. So, we're going to go here. Push it in. Here, push it in. Then it's hard to believe how lucky you can get sometimes. Look at that. A leftover piece. It's going to fit this perfectly. See there? Boy, that's when you get lucky. We're going to take the other piece. Do the same thing. So. So now all I got to do is cut the down pieces. Got a curved piece here, so we're going to figure about that height. That ought to cover cabbage. So, one piece that length. Piece. I don't really care that much if the down pieces are a little curved. As long as I'm using PVC, I don't have to buy. So, it looks pretty good for me. Since these are getting shoved in the ground, they don't have to be exact. As you can see from making several of these, I'm not any more coordinated doing it than I was on the first one. But I do find it to get them done. This is really kind of silly. People to get better when I get this last piece in. But despite my worst efforts, there we go, we got a cage up. Okay. Go get the covering to keep the bugs off. Now you've watched me do this before, and I'm sure that you're amazed how anybody can be that uncoordinated. This is tulle, T-U-L-L-E. I got it on eBay from a company out in California. This is the 96 or 108 inch wide stuff. They also sell a thinner, a skinnier one, not as wide. But that's not much use to me for making different kind of covers. So what I want is to make sure I've got plenty down here for a bottom. I got to make sure I got plenty down here for this bottom, and I didn't get a piece of wood to tie it down with. So I'm back a little piece of 2x4. I'll drop down right there to hold that spot, and we'll cut it. At this point, even considering how you can see right through this stuff, this is 4 layers thick. So you got to start opening it up. That's a pain. You just can't see it. If you're younger, you can probably see it. But for me in the shadows, it just flat disappears. So, here we go. You know that reaches the bottom, this reaches the bottom, and this reaches the bottom. I'll pull my board back, and I'll come down and fight the battle at the other end. I think that's that piece. Okay, I got more than enough to reach the bottom. More than enough to reach the bottom. these clips. Get them off Amazon, half inch PVC, the blue ones. Get this stuff, ball it up, push it against the side of the PVC, and figures like the one that's hard to do. And snap it on. Go around the other side, do the same thing. Knot it all up. Pull it down tight. Just the bigger the wad is you do, there we go. And there we go. This thing here is covered. No caterpillar loopers getting in there. I'll put another board to help hold it there in the middle. That's all there is to it. I'll water these in, and I got another nice bed done. Took me a long time to get the weeds out. Didn't take long to get it shaped up. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Getting the fall garden in. Thank you for watching.